So hi guys, let's unbox this package from China. My first batch of pre-order is here and we're gonna unbox. I'm just praying that everything comes correct, like just open that it comes correct, cause this is not just my package, it belongs to people. Like 90% or let's say 70% of what is inside this package is not mine. So just have to pray to God that nothing is wrong with any of these items. Is this packaging not too much? Bye. Chai. It's plenty. They have packer. This one's their packaging bags. This shipping company, they open your package to see what is inside. See the way they tore my beautiful big ass bag. Well, anyways, this is what I got. Some for my customers, some for me. So it's packaging bags to pack orders. They literally tore this one. Are you kidding me? So packing bags. I just got different sizes because I really wanted to compare the sizes. So it's plenty, sha. And I got for someone, one of my customers. Look at, some of them are so big. I asked them to put the biggest ones too. See how big this one is. Hopefully one day I'll get an order as big as this to pack for someone. But yeah, that's the first one. Now down to the smaller products. I don't like the way this shipping company literally tore all my packaging. These are combs, packaging combs. I said packaging combs, styling combs, hair clips. This is for one of my customers. So it's 40, she got 40 hair clips and they are so cute. You can get it for your child. So cute. Mirrors, my mirror. I got this for myself and I'm selling one. So if anyone is interested in the mirror, and they are nice, but they're so small. Nice mirrors. This shipping company, I'm going to cost them because the things they are writing in their thingy is not accurate. See, phone cases for couples. I did not order 12 Pro Max now. These people sent me 12 Pro and 11. They sent the wrong cases. Well, thank God that one is for me, sha. Because more to unbox. They opened this one too. See the way they scattered my airpod cases. This one is so cute. So airpod cases. One, two, three, four. So I ordered 4. This one is the wrong size. They sent me the wrong size of this. Next, pop sockets. So this pop socket, you can use it as gifts for your customers. You can send it to your customers as gifts. I hate the way they just tore all the nylons and everything. Like, what if I want to use the nylon? So you can use this pop socket as gifts for your customers, or for anything. Sure, you can use it as gifts. So the pop socket came. Surprisingly, they didn't tear this one's nylon. Interesting. So what's inside this one? Scrunchies. Yes, one of my customers ordered like a bunch of scrunchies. So it's cute. Cute scrunchies. What is this one? Okay, jewelry boxes. So they just tore the nylon. These people are vexing me. So jewelry boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think someone ordered 2, another person ordered 1. It's 5, sha. But I don't know. I don't know how many I bought. I cannot remember. But 5 mini jewelry boxes. They are cute. Next, some shades. Some sunshades. Beautiful. I told these Chinese people that they should let me change this one to black and brown. I literally left it at brown. Okay, this one is brown. This one is supposed to be black and brown, but they literally sent the wrong shades. But this is it. It's supposed to be black and brown. But this is for my customer, not for me. One is for me and the other for my customer, but I may end up selling it. So one thing I don't like about this shipping company I use, their name is Main Service. They put the wrong information on the website, and I don't like that. Like, they don't update their website properly. Like, some of the things I'm seeing here now, they categorize them under special goods, that it will come later. But now those things are here. So I'm wondering, another shades for someone. So now I'm wondering why. Like, why? Anyhow, is anyone, like, I'm so pissed because some of these items, they already said they are under special goods and they won't come now. So why are they here? Like, why is it here? Then I got some phone cases for my business. I ordered just 4, sha. It looks good. It's nice. I like it. It's cute. So I'm selling these cases. My light has gone off. Oh. I'm selling these cases. More cases. More cases. Someone ordered this one. I think she ordered just 1. Yeah. But I had to buy 2 because you can't buy just 1. Then some people ordered shoes. So this is their shoe. Yes. This is the shoe they ordered. Whoa, look at this. It's pretty. So it's a shoe, sha. This is size, I don't know. They did not write size of anything. I hate the way they squeeze. They literally squeezed this box. So That is one shoe. I'm expecting 3 shoes. So that is one shoe. This is another shoe. Oh, this one is a sneaker. White. White sneakers. It's nice. So pretty. So this is for someone. Literally everything I ordered for myself is no yet. Like you can literally see on my face I'm not that excited because the packages I was expecting did not come. I see this one. Oh, I like this. It's really nice. Size 40. It smells horrible. But like size 40. These people have scattered the box for me. Literally scattered everything. What is this one, guys? Okay, another bunch of packaging. More packaging. So I'm not happy because most of my items did not come. Most of my items that I'm excited for did not come. Most of these ones are customers items. So the shoes, she ordered one, then her friend ordered another one. So this is for them, sha. The shoe is really nice. Like it's really nice. It's giving what it's supposed to be giving. So the last thing in my bag is this. I don't know what this is. Okay. So some air bonnets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think the customer ordered like 5 or so. Then this one, I ordered this one for myself. The bigger bonnet. Those big bonnets that have whatever this is that you can just tie at the top. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more. And I'm going to be hosting some classes to teach you guys how to import. If you are interested, send me a DM. My WhatsApp will be placed down in the description, so you can send me a DM. And please subscribe for more. Please, I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. I hope I can do it, but please subscribe. It's time for me to go and start packing everybody's order and separating everything. Omo, I'm tired, but I have to do it. Or maybe I'll take a nap first. Then once I wake up, I'll start packing their orders. Yeah. So thank you for watching. Bye.